Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Are you ready to take your auto detailing game to the next level? Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best vacuums specially curated for auto detailing enthusiasts like you. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these vacuums promise unmatched performance and convenience. From powerful suction to versatile attachments, each one is designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your vehicle with precision and ease. Join me as we explore these top contenders that are sure to make cleaning your car a breeze. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to find out where you can get your hands on one of these incredible vacuums. So check link in the description below. Number 1. This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate solution for pristine auto detailing on the go. This portable handheld mini vacuum is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their car, RV, or boat impeccably clean. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it's lightweight and compact, yet packs a powerful punch with its 106W motor and cyclonic suction that effortlessly tackles dirt, dust, and even stubborn pet hair. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it ensures efficient cleaning and traps allergens for a healthier interior environment. The This Works Car Vacuum comes complete with a comprehensive cleaning kit including 3 attachments: flathead, extendable, and brush nozzle, a carry bag for easy storage, a filter brush, and a spare HEPA filter. Whether you're dealing with crumbs in the back seat, sand from the beach, or spillages from road trips, this vacuum is designed to handle it all. Its 16-foot power cord lets you reach every corner of your vehicle without hassle, powered conveniently via the 12V auxiliary outlet or 12V cigarette lighter port. Perfect for both men and women who appreciate a tidy vehicle, the This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner is not just a tool but an essential car accessory that ensures your interior stays immaculate with minimal effort. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just someone who takes pride in a clean car, this mini vacuum delivers on performance, convenience, and durability. Say goodbye to messy car interiors and hello to a spotless ride every time with the This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. Number 2. Varsk 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power, a versatile essential for auto detailing enthusiasts. This innovative device combines powerful vacuum cleaning with efficient tire inflation, making it a must-have for every car owner. Switch effortlessly between vacuuming and inflating modes, designated as I and 2 respectively, while the digital tire pressure LCD display ensures precision and ease of use. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit environments, ensuring thorough cleaning and safe operation at all times. Never fret about flat tires again with the VARSK Vacuum Cleaner's robust inflation capabilities. It boasts a rapid inflation speed of 35 liters per minute, 1.24 CFM, capable of inflating a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in just 6 minutes, automatically shutting off once the preset pressure is reached. The maximum 150 psi capacity accommodates various inflatables, making it a reliable companion for emergencies on the road. As a vacuum cleaner, the VARSK delivers a strong 8 kPa cyclone suction, effortlessly picking up dust, debris, and even coins with its HEPA filter. The filter is washable and durable, ensuring long-term performance without frequent replacements. Its detachable dust cup facilitates easy disposal of collected debris, complemented by 3 versatile nozzles for comprehensive cleaning of every corner of your vehicle. Built to stringent quality standards, each VARSK product undergoes a meticulous 50-point inspection to guarantee durability and reliability. The 15-foot power cord enables easy access to all areas of your vehicle, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Please note, this device is designed for standard-sized cars and should be connected to the DC 12V cigarette lighter socket during use. Perfect for those who demand the best vacuum for auto detailing, the VARSK 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power is your ultimate companion for maintaining a pristine interior and ensuring peace of mind on the road. Number 3. Saker Portable Vacuum Cleaner for Car, a versatile 3-in-1 cordless handheld vacuum designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine whether at home or on the go. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this vacuum boasts an impressive 12,000 PA suction capability, effortlessly tackling dirt, dust, and debris from car interiors, office spaces, and around the home. Its multifunctional design allows for both vacuuming and blowing, making it perfect for precise auto detailing and tackling hard-to-reach areas like computer keyboards and car seats with ease. The Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner features a Type-C data cable for convenient charging, ensuring you're always powered up with a clear indicator when fully charged. It includes 2 efficient filters, a washable HEPA filter and an upgraded fine steel filter, providing sustained performance and easy maintenance. Compact and lightweight, it fits neatly into any drawer or comes with a handy storage bag for effortless portability, making it ideal for travelers in busy lifestyles. Even children can handle its user-friendly design, thanks to its lightweight build and intuitive operation. For anyone seeking the best vacuum for auto detailing, the Saker Portable Vacuum Cleaner for Car stands out with its robust suction power, versatile functionality, and thoughtful design features. Whether you're keeping your vehicle immaculate or maintaining a tidy home office setup, this handheld vacuum ensures thorough cleaning results every time. Discover the convenience and efficiency of the Saker Portable Vacuum Cleaner for Car and elevate your cleaning experience today. Number 4. Kawasi's Car Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate companion for professional-grade auto detailing right in your own vehicle. Engineered for efficiency and ease of use, this portable vacuum boasts a robust 150W motor with 7,500 pascal suction power, effortlessly tackling both wet and dry messes. Whether it's crumbs on the seats, dust in the corners, or pet hair on the carpets, the Kawasi's vacuum ensures thorough cleaning with its high-speed RPM of up to 32,000 rounds per minute, leaving your car interior immaculate in minutes. Equipped with a HEPA filtration system and a cyclone cone for effective dust separation, this vacuum prevents filter clogging and ensures no debris escapes back into your vehicle. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make it comfortable to handle, while the 16.4 feet long cord allows easy access to every nook and cranny of your car, including the trunk. The package includes a variety of attachments such as a long tube, slot pipette, extended hose, and brush nozzle, ensuring versatility for all your detailing needs. Whether you're a meticulous car owner or a professional detailer, the Kawasi's Car Vacuum Cleaner is the ideal choice for maintaining a spotless interior effortlessly. With its powerful suction, comprehensive filtration system, and convenient accessories, it stands out as the best vacuum for auto detailing, providing professional cleaning results without the hefty price tag. Invest in the Kawasi's Car Vacuum Cleaner today and experience the difference in car cleanliness like never before. Number 5. Fantic Slim V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum, your ultimate companion for auto detailing. Engineered with precision and convenience in mind, this high-power vacuum boasts a robust 12,000 pascal suction capability, ensuring no crumb or debris is left behind in your vehicle. Its lightweight design, merely 1.2 pounds, coupled with wireless operation, allows effortless maneuverability to clean every nook and cranny of your car interior with ease. Equipped with a range of specialized accessories including extension tubes, hoses, and brushes for different surfaces and pet hair, it tackles any mess effectively. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor, it offers 2 suction modes ideal for both delicate cleaning and heavy-duty tasks. USB-C fast charging ensures quick recharges in just 2 hours, while the intuitive marquee ring light indicates its operational status. Maintenance is a breeze with a simple click-to-empty dustbin and removable stainless steel and HEPA filters for thorough cleaning. Whether it's for routine maintenance or before a road trip, the Fantic V8 Mate guarantees a pristine interior effortlessly. Compact enough to store in your glove compartment or trunk, it's not just a tool but a thoughtful gift idea for any occasion. Backed by responsive customer service, this vacuum is tailored for those who seek efficiency and reliability in auto detailing. Discover why the Fantic Slim V8 Mate is hailed as one of the best vacuums for keeping your vehicle impeccably clean. In conclusion, choosing the best vacuum for auto detailing involves considering factors like power, portability, and specialized attachments. Whether you prioritize compactness for maneuvering in tight spaces or suction strength for thorough cleaning, the right vacuum can make a significant difference in maintaining your vehicle's cleanliness. By selecting a vacuum that suits your specific needs and preferences, you ensure efficient cleaning sessions that keep your car looking pristine inside. Remember to check out our recommended models in the description below for further details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates on automotive detailing tips and product reviews.